Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 for 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas and the prompt is shaker. So I did use this die on hand. I do not recommend that die. I actually don't believe they sell it anymore, the company, because I did look it up and I no longer see it available. Anyway, so I decided to leave the back of the shaker with a clear acetate and I'm going to glue a snowflake. I found these snowflakes at the Dollar Tree. I believe it's a 4-pack for $1. And I decided to do something different. So I'm just going to glue that snowflake behind the shaker. And to embellish this tag, I'm going to add some white eyelash trim, a sentiment, some snowflakes, a little wooden Christmas tree that I coated with glitter, as well as a couple of branches that I coated with glitter also. So that would just add that punch it needs and give it the dimension as well. And the last step was to add gold ribbon. I did add that to the center of the snowflake. I honestly don't feel like this video does justice. This tag is so pretty in person. That snowflake really does make a difference. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to create tags. You still have time to create 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas. Give this video a like and tell me what you think. And don't forget to follow Luisa and Eileen, who are also showcasing their beautiful tags. Until next time, and God bless.